हेलो एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। बेटा 10th क्लास ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ 'ਚ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਦੱਸਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਐਰਰਸ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨਿਊ ਹੈ ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਚੈਨਲ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ ਤੇ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਲੇਟੈਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਿਸ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ। Watch this video without skipping. Do not forget to share and like. हाँ जी, firstly एक ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ बेटा लिस्ट देती है ਇਹਦੇ further उन्होंने questions पूछे। First है who is the writer of book Shame? हाँ जी, ਇਹਦਾ writer कौन है, author कौन है? सलमान रशीद, so option is B. Second, which books have been published in 2021? 2021 केड़ी books publish हुई हैं? एक languages of truth, दूसरी है Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. So let's see the option. दोनों जिदे होंगे languages of truth and Oxford, that is option number C. Third question, which book has been written by Amitav Ghosh? Amitav Ghosh ने केड़ी लिखी बेटा? Sea of Poppies, option number A. Moving on to fourth question, which book has maximum sale? बेटा सब तो ज़्यादा सेल देखो, sold number of copies सब तो ज़्यादा किरी बिकी है? Sea of Poppies ये 6 copies बिकी हैं, so answer again is Sea of Poppies. Fifth question, which is the most expensive book? Cost देखो सबसे ज़्यादा किदी है? Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary दी, that is of 777 rupees. So what is the option? Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, that is option number D. Clear? Moving on to second question, read the given poem and answer the questions that flow. ये पोइम बेटा तो देती हुई है। क्लियर? इट्स वेरी इजी। टर्न द फॉर्च्यून, टर्न दाई व्हील एंड लोअर द प्राउड, टर्न दाई वाइल्ड व्हील थ्रू सनशाइन स्टॉर्म एंड क्लाउड। बेसिकली इट इज़ लाइक जस्ट एज अ टाइम चेंजेस कि जो भी है फॉर्च्यून द व्हील हैगा कि साड़ी किस्मत की चीज़ा है, बेशक कोई स्ट्रॉम आवे सनशाइन आए, इन्हें चलता जाना है। तो इस व्हील दे चलन दे नाल हुण साडे ते किंदा ना असी इनू प्यार मतलब इस व्हील दे नाल ना सानू नफरत हुंदी है ना सानू प्यार आंदा। सो वी आर बेसिकली फर्स्टली की ऑफ क्वेश्चन है वी नीदर लव नॉर हेट, मीन्स नाउ वी आर नॉट एट ऑल कंसर्नड जो हो रहा है कोई गल नहीं। वी आर सो मच पॉजिटिव माइंडेड दैट नाउ नथिंग, everything is immaterial now. With these things, pain, hardships doesn't even matter. So with the wild wheel, turn fortune, turn thy wheel and smile with smiles and frown. With that wild wheel we go not up or down. Our hoard is little but our hearts are great. ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸੰਪत्ति ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੈਸਾ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੇ ਨੇ। सो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्टली इतने तक पढ़े। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, द वर्ड लोअर्स द प्राउड आर रिक्वेस्ट टू फॉर्च्यून, ये रिक्वेस्ट है फॉर्च्यून किस्मत नू, टू ब्रिंग डाउन द प्राउड। द वर्ड्स लोअर द प्राउड, हंकार कटा दो, ठीक है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, our hoards is little. As I said, hoards means that whatever savings we have very much less saving. ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੈਸਾ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਫੋਰਥ, ਰੈਸਟ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਬੇਟਾ ਆਪ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਆਪ ਵੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਟਰਾਂਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਨਾਓ ਮੂਵਿੰਗ ਔਨ ਟੂ ਫੋਰਥ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, the lords of our hands. There is a word in the poem, the lords of our hands. From frown and we smile, the lords of our ओन हैंड्स मतलब असी अपनी किस्मत दे आप मालिक हाँ, जस्ट इन पंजाबी जिवें असी कह दिंदे हाँ. So what is the answer for this? It's option number first. We have our destiny in our hands. Last, fifth question. The wheel of fortune symbolizes the changes in the fortune. Next, third question. The passage. Stammering. Stammering is a habit disorder. Hanji, first question is stammering is caused because of physical disorder. No, there is no word physical over there. Normal growth, no. It is said that the child is afraid of talking in front of others. It means there is lack of self-confidence firstly. So why stammering is caused is option number C, that is lack of self-confidence. Second, there are 4 skills of language. The given passage mainly deals with that. What we are dealing with the speaking skill, stammering. So option is A. Next, third, what is responsible for developing a fear in child's mind? What was the why is there fear? ये क्यों आ रहा है? हाँ जी, because the parents, the mother are very much cautious. Here it is in the paragraph. Lot of fret. There is a word fret. Fret means worry. This is absolutely normal. But what mothers do is fret. Fret means worry. And they are overcautious. So what is the option? Option is C. Fourth, pick out the word from the passage which means worry. Worry means fret. Next, fifth, what can be the treatment for stammering according to the passage? So there is a last line. Fluency can be incorporated in the speech of such patients through hypnosis. So what answer is first option, hypnosis. Clear? Okay, and even the word is written. Have there been extra worried? Extra worried means overcautious, the word. Next, fourth question. Again there is a paragraph about the invention of computer and everything. Now first question is, what are the uses of computers? So what the computers are used not only in industries but also in universities. So industries में भी use होता है and universities में भी. So let's see, there is a C option, both A and C, so option is C. Clear? Now next, second question, which of the following is not true? Computers are capable of doing extreme complicated work. It is right. It is given in the paragraph also. Computers can work with accuracy and high speed. That is also there. Next, computer can provide information. Yes, and even it can ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, it is mentioned above. Unrelated facts को भी एक order में वो कर देता है. Last option, computer can cause a traffic accidents. Let's see this. See, for instance, they can provide information in the best way to prevent बचांदा है बेटा ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट्स तो. सो इट मीन्स दिस इज रॉन्ग. उन्होंने क्या कॉज कर दिया? नो, इट प्रिवेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज ऑटोमेशन? इट इज क्लियरली गिवन इन द पैसेज दैट द होल प्रोसेस बाय विच मशीन कैन बी यूज्ड टू वर्क. इट इज हेयर. The whole process by which machines can be used to do work is called automation. Next, fourth question, in future automation may enable human beings. So with automation, what would be done? In future automation may enable human beings more leisure time. Leisure means free time than they have now. Like means now they have less and in future they will have more free time. So what's the answer? to have more free time, option number B. Fifth, human beings have been using computers since many decades. It is there in the question. It's for decades now. It's not decade. Decade means 10 years, but it's decades as, so it means many decades. So answer will be option number C, that's many decades. Clear? Next, again fifth paragraph. It's about the pyramids in Egypt. It is little bit difficult than the above paragraphs. So you can go through the paragraph you might have gone through, and let's move on to the questions. Firstly, the writer says the pyramid has stood for nearly 5,000 years, and it seems that they will continue to stand for thousands of the years yet. So this is very surprisingly that he is surprised that they have been standing for 5,000 years and they can further stand for thousands of years. So his tone, we are talking about the tone, the speech, not the facial expressions. So we are talking about the speech, and the option is D, awestruck. Next, second question. The phrase fall into ruins. Fall into ruins means toot फूट जाना, ख़त्म हो जाना. So the answer is D option, breakdown. Third, the maximum damage caused by the pyramids was due to. It is mentioned in the question. It is mentioned in the paragraph that the maximum damage were because of the men who were looking for some treasure. It is there. You can see from the paragraph. Clear? Next, the pyramids has to be on the west side. Now the west side. Let me wait. Hanji. Yes, the pyramids has to be on the west side of the Nile. They have mentioned the side, whether it should be on north, south, east, west. So if this is the river, on west side of the river it should be the side on which the sun set. This was of the religious reason. So what was the reason was religious. So religious reason, let's see what is there in the option. Yes, worshipping is religion related. So option will be A. Next, fifth question. The pyramids were built near the king's place. It is mentioned because king want to have here. Finally, pyramids has to be near the capital, where near the king's place, so that he could visit it easily and personally check. Checking means supervise karna, supervision. So there is a word in the question. Fifth, the pyramids were built near the king's palace because king could have rested there. No, the king would conveniently visit the place for supervision. So option is B. Clear? Next, sixth question. It's a pie chart basically. So which two sectors have equal expenditure? So electricity and roads, they have equal expenditure. So electricity and roads, option number C. Second, what is the difference between the expenditure of electricity and dairy? Electricity में है बेटा 9% and dairy में है आपके 6%. So what is the difference? 3%. Option number C. Third question, 23% was spent on which two sectors? Which two sectors? 22. Others is having 17 and dairy is having 6, that is 23%. So others in dairy, option number C. Next, fourth question. Even the combined expenditure on electricity, roads is less than expenditure on agriculture, option number A. What is the combined expenditure of electricity, roads, dairy and others? You can add up 9% plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 17. So the total comes out to be 41. 9, 9, 18. and 624, 24 plus 17 is 41%, so option is D. Clear? Last, 7th question. It's basically a pamphlet, a poster, sorry, it's a poster. So it's everything is given very clearly, it's very easy. The above poster describes what? Safety on building site. Safety on a building site. Option B. Second question, how often a worker should wear? It's mentioned wear gears in a building site. How often? Always. When only at the lunch hours, in the lunchroom they can remove the gloves or any safety gear, otherwise all through the working hours they have to wear it. So option is always during working hours. Third, an employee can lose his job if he smokes, because it's mentioned no smoking. Fourth, which is correct? One can visit lunchroom anytime? No. With permission one can have lunch outside? No. To have lunch one has to visit the lunchroom in fixed time? Yes. Then the time is from 11:30 to 1 p.m. That is the fixed time. In between this they can have lunch. Last, I'm just mentioning the answers. Last, 5th question, what precaution one should take before having lunch? He has to remove the gloves and wash the hands. So option is C, wash the hands. So beta, this was all from your paper, English paper. I hope everything is now crystal clear and you can notify your mistakes and mind up the errors so that you don't repeat these types of errors in future. I have given a detailed view, detailed of each and every answer. Thank you.